What's up everyone? It's your girl, Fly Girl Nina, and welcome back to Fly Girl Bartending. Today I'm going to show you guys a super quick and easy tutorial on how to make sweet and sour. So what is sweet and sour? Sweet and sour is pretty much a quicker pre-made alternative for cocktails. So instead of using like simple syrup and citrus in a cocktail separately, you would just add simple syrup to replace both those ingredients, making it quicker to make cocktails. Sweet and sour is super easy to make, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Making sweet and sour mix is super easy because you only need 4 ingredients: limes, lemons, sugar, and water, as well as a couple other tools like a citrus juicer, large measurement container, a cutting board, and a knife. Slice your citrus in half. Since we're making about 16 ounces total of sweet and sour, we are going to juice 4 ounces of lemon juice and 4 ounces of lime juice. Now, bring out a pot and add in 4 ounces of water and turn on the heat. Once the water is hot, add in 4 ounces of granulated sugar. Stir the mixture until the sugar has dissolved, then turn off the heat. Let the simple syrup cool, and once the syrup has cooled, add in your lemon and lime juice and stir to combine. And that's basically it for making sweet and sour. All that's left is to pour your sweet and sour into a container you want to store it in. You can now use the sweet and sour mix for any cocktails that call for it. This sweet and sour mix should stay good in the fridge up to 10 days. Now that y'all know how to make sweet and sour, I better not see you guys buying it from the store anymore. Just make it from scratch, and it'll taste 10 times better. If you want the full written recipe of how to make sweet and sour, make sure to check out my cocktail blog, flygirlbartending.com, and there's a link in the description to make it easier on yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Fly Girl Bartending. Stay fly.